Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to Meggy B's Family TV, and welcome to the part 2 of things that all YouTuber must have / hard disk. I mentioned in my previous video that you need a hard disk to be able to store all your videos that you post to social media or that you want to edit later, so that you can free the storage on your handy if you use handy to film or even your camcorder. And we did not finish that video, so this is the continuation of it, and I'm going to show you how you add this hard disk also to your laptop and how to create files with the hard disk. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you are new here, you are absolutely welcome. If you are our followers for a while now, you are amazing. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, and please keep bringing the things that you want us to do. Drop it in the comment section. If you like this video, please make sure you comment about it, and we will really appreciate it. Your comments also means a lot to us. Now let's go on to making this tutorial. This thing you are seeing here is what you are going to be using to save all your pictures or videos from your phone or your laptop. Let me push this aside, and it's the same thing. So I will just use this one, and you see it has this cable, and one you plug here, and the other cable, this cable here, then you plug it on your laptop. Okay, did you see it? So I plug it here like this, and then my phone, I will take my phone, I will also plug it to my laptop. Immediately you plug your phone, the signal you will hear is here on your phone. It will ask you if you want to charge only or if you want to transfer file, Android audio, then or transfer pictures. If you press transfer pictures, it means you are only going to transfer pictures, not videos that have audios. Because I want to transfer files and audios or pictures, I will click the second option, which is that one. So, and it will give a signal to my laptop, you see. Then how will I open the two devices on my laptop? I will come here. Here it shows files. You will click that. Files. This is the window that will open, and the next thing you will do, you can already see your device that you plug here. Another way to do it is to click this PC. Did you see this PC? This is my Oppo, and this is my hard disk. So my phone, I will click my phone. Can you see it? Here we have the external storage, and we also do have the SSD. Let me click the external storage. So you see there are things also in files here. Let me just pick these two pictures, for instance. You can pick them one after the other. I can right click it, and then I will copy. And here, I will go to this side here to check for my hard disk, which is Seagate expansion drive. So I will right click it also, and then I will now say paste. So now let me open the hard disk. Because I didn't put it in files, so it will just go automatically to other pictures here. You see, let's look for that picture that you see, it takes time. This is what I was saying, that we don't have the 24 hours time to be doing one thing. It's always good to put them in files. So this is an example of it. I have to wait, let all these other files open. If my laptop is slow, then I will stay there for days. So another way to do it is to go back again. So that Oppo, by clicking the sign of your phone here. You go back to the device, but as you copy it, you already have it on your mouse. You can post it again. So this is the picture I posted. It's called HH4. Let me right-click it again with my mouse, and then I go to copy. You can see, and then I will open this one, and then I can decide to put it in any of the file here. This file, my website files, I will right-click it, and then I will say paste. So now we want to find that picture which is HH4. You see, already I have it here. You can see it's blue. It's easy. What about if I want to put it in its own file? Maybe you have some video, you just want it to have only that file, you want to create a name for it. How do you do that? Let me show you. Now that you are in your hard disk, when you have your hard disk, even if you have your USB stick, is the same process, okay? Just plug it on your laptop and let it show. You select it, and then let's go back to this Seagate expansion drive. I will click it. Now, when I click it, I will just click any place here, not the file, any place here. I can create file like that, or I will go up here. Let me just show you the easiest way before I will say start session. So you will just click any place here. A window will open and you will go to new. And when you go to new, you just stay there and don't right click nothing, don't click nothing. As you have your mouse hover around that new, you will see a window will open. Then what do? You go to folder. You click folder. What do you do here? You have just created a folder where you want to pack your videos that you will work with later. You have the option to name your folder. If you want to leave it new folder, you can leave it new folder. If you want to name it, like for instance, you said show, I will write show. So I know what I want to put there. So now I just create it. I create show folder, period. Now I will go to my phone. You'll not find your phone again. By the side here, you see, by the side here, or you go back to the PC. If you cannot find it here, just click PC. Whether you are going to pick it in SD card or the external storage, doesn't matter. So let's go back now to external storage with the same picture. Let's pick the same picture. I will right click it. A window will open, and then I will copy. And then what do? I go back to my Seagate expansion hard disk. When you click it, and then you look for the file you just create. We created show, right? So now, where is show? I have show up here, you see? I can open it like this, and then drop it, or if I open it and I will right click it like this, it will say paste. If I paste it, it will be there. But if I don't want to open it, I can go back one arrow backward. I go back to the show. You know, I will right click here and then I paste. Now we have it. So now let's go to that file show by searching for it. Yeah, you see show, we have it. Right click it, the picture is there. So this is how you create different files. You put your picture here, family picture. This is how you do it. Next time, I will also show you from your phone how you can also create files like this on your phone so that you can copy even files. You see, like this file, if I want to take it somewhere else, okay, I can just click it and then I will copy, and then I will go and paste it. You can create file inside file as well. Just not to prolong this video, I hope this video will help you. This is how you practically create files or remove things from your phone. That is all for this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you know other ways that we can save our videos that we post to social media or that we are recording to free our phone, please, your comments are very welcome. That being said, visit our website megibiz.com. We have many things that we used to do our beadwork there and our creativity. We will really be happy if you patronize us, because it helps us to keep our business going and also to assist the less privileged in Africa. Thank you all for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye.